you guys gonna keep it in your mind permanently. That is adjective phrase. Adjective phrase doesn't have its own subject and verb inside. Okay?
Okay.
Now, let me give you the structure. The structure is very simple, guys. As you guys can see, adjective phrase, first of all, we are gonna put plus main verb, and at the end, what we are gonna put? Rest of the modifiers. Okay? Now, let me give you some example. The girl with long hair is my sister. So, what is adjective phrase over here? You know, guys?
No.
Let me tell you. This with the long hair. This group of words are describing the girl and giving extra information about the girl without what? Subject and verb. So what is it called? Adjective phrase. Try to remember what I taught you. Adjective phrase doesn't have its own subject and verb inside. So I hope you guys can clearly see this. This group of words are describing the girl without what? Subject and verb. So it is called adjective phrase. Okay, now let me give you the another example. He bought a car cheaper than mine. So here, what is adjective phrase? This, cheaper than mine, because this group of words are describing the car without what? Subject and verb. So what is this? Adjective phrase. Okay, is it clear for you guys?
Yes.
Okay, now let me make you guys understand adjective clause. Adjective clause is also a group of words that work together to describe what? Noun and pronoun. Also, it gives extra information about noun and pronoun, just like an adjective phrase. Now, you guys might think, so what is the difference between adjective phrase and adjective clause? So, it is a catch and very important point, guys, which you guys gonna keep it in your mind. That is, adjective clause has its own what? Subject and verb. Okay. It is very important point, guys, that you guys gonna keep it in your mind permanently. Okay?
Okay.
Now let me give you the structure. The structure is very simple. First of all, you guys gonna put relative pronoun. Then you guys gonna put subject. At the end, you guys gonna put what? Verb. Okay? And this is very simple actually. The structure. By following this structure, you guys can make in number of lines of adjective clause. Okay? Now let me give you some examples to make it more easy to understand. Okay? The girl who has long hair is my sister. What is adjective clause over here? See?
Okay.
What is adjective clause over here? See? Do you know, guys?
No.
Okay. Let me tell you. Who has long hair? This group of words are describing the girl with what? Subject and verb. So what is this? Try to remember what I taught you guys. Adjective clause has its own subject and verb. So here you guys clearly see this. These group of words are describing the girl with what? Subject and verb. Subject, who? Verb, has. You guys clearly can see, right? So what is this? Adjective clause, right? So is it clear for you guys?
Yes.
Now let me give you another example to make it more easy to understand. He bought a car. Sorry guys, he bought a car which is cheaper than mine. So what is adjective clause over here? Say, you know guys?
Cheaper than mine.
Cheaper than mine. Right, you are right.